Hello students, welcome all of you to the next session of English grammar class. In today's class, I am going to discuss some important rules of direct and indirect speech. Dear students, in previous class I have discussed briefly about rule number 1 and 2, ଯେଉଁ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ କି reporting verb ଉପରେ ଆଧାରିତ ଥିଲା. Look at the screen. ପୂର୍ବ ପାଠକୁ ଟିକେ ମନେ ପକେଇବା. Rule number 1 ରେ ଥିଲା reporting verb present tense ର present simple that is say बा says किंबा फ्यूचर टाइम को सूचित करुवा वर्ब सेल विल प्लस मेन वर्ब थिले इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच रे टेंस रे कोनसी परिवर्तन होई न थाए. एवं रूल नंबर 2 रे हमें पढ़िथिले रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पास्ट टेंस रो फर्स्ट सिंपल ले थिले इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच रो टेंस रे निम्नलिखित परिवर्तन गुड़िक होई थाए. यथा प्रेजेंट सिंपल पास्ट सिंपल ले परिणत होई थाए, प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव पास्ट प्रोग्रेसिव रे, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट पास्ट परफेक्ट रे, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट प्रोग्रेसिव पास्ट परफेक्ट प्रोग्रेसिव रे परिवर्तन होई थाए. एवं पास्ट सिंपल पास्ट परफेक्ट रे एवं पास्ट प्रोग्रेसिव पास्ट परफेक्ट प्रोग्रेसिव रे परिणत होई थाए. एठी हमें मन रखिबा पास्ट परफेक्ट एवं पास्ट परफेक्ट प्रोग्रेसिव रे थिले कोनोसी परिवर्तन होई न थाए. उदाहरण गुड़ी को देख पिला वाक्य गुड़ी को डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट को परिवर्तन करने समय रे टेंस रे कोनोसी प्रकार परिवर्तन है नहीं, केवल कर्ता रे हेछि. नाउ माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस द रूल नंबर 3, 4 and 5 which are not relating to your reporting verb. Now look at rule number 3. Rule number 3 is if the direct speech expresses a universal truth or a scientific truth or a geographical truth or a historical truth or a habitual action, then the tense of the direct speech remain unchanged. Look at the examples here. First example, the guide said Puri is famous for Lord Jagannath. If we change the sentence into indirect speech, then the answer will be the guide said that Puri is famous for Lord Jagannath. Look at here, as Puri is famous for Lord Jagannath is an universal truth or it indicates universal truth, so there is no change when we change it into indirect speech. Okay. Similarly, look at example number 2. The teacher said water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. If we change the sentence into indirect speech, the answer will be the teacher said that water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. Here also there is no change because the sentence water boils at 100 degrees centigrade is related to your scientific truth. Okay. Look at the next example. The teacher said India became independent on 15th August 1947. If we change into indirect, then the answer will be the teacher said that India became independent on 15th August 1947. Here also no change occurs because it indicates the historical truth. Okay. Now look at the next example. The teacher said the earth moves around the sun. If we change this sentence into indirect speech, the answer will be the teacher said that the earth moves around the sun. एठी मध्य कोनोसी प्रकारर परिवर्तन हेउ नहीं because this sentence is related to your geographical truth. Look at the next example. Tutu said, I go for a walk every morning. If we change this sentence into indirect, then the answer will be Tutu said that he goes for a walk every morning. Here also no change is there because the sentence is related to your habitual action or habitual truth. अभ्यासगत सत्य. ठीक अछि. Dear students, now look at some other examples related to this rule. The teacher said Bhubaneswar is a city of temples. It is written as the teacher said that Bhubaneswar is the city of temples. Similarly, the children said we play football every day. This sentence can be written as the children said that they play football every day. Similarly, father said spring comes after winter. This sentence can be written as father said that spring comes after winter. Dear students, now I am going to discuss about the rule number 4. So what is the rule number 4? The rule number 4 is, if the direct speech expresses two simultaneous actions in the first, then also the tense of the direct speech remain unchanged. Look at the example here. He said, when I saw them, they were playing tennis. When we change this sentence into indirect speech, the answer will be, he said that when he saw them, they were playing tennis. A example टिको देखो पिला मने. I saw them and they were playing tennis. These are two simultaneous actions happening in the first. अर्थात अतीतरे समाप्त होइतिबा दुईटी पाखापाखी कार्य को सूचित करुछि. तेणु एही क्षेत्र मध्य इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच को परिवर्तन करने समय रे टेन्स रो कोनोसी परिवर्तन होई न थाए, केवल कर्ताटी हेई थाए. ठीक अछि. सिमिलरली लुक एट द अदर एग्जांपल. द मॉनिटर ऑफ द क्लास सेड, व्हेन द टीचर एंटर्ड द क्लास ऑल स्टूडेंट्स स्टूड अप. So according to the rule, the answer will be, the monitor of the class said that when the teacher entered the class, all the students stood up. Similarly, look at the next example. She said, when I left home, it began to rain. The answer will be, she said that when she left home, it began to rain. Now my dear students, I am going to discuss about rule number 5. So what is the rule number 5? It is, if the direct speech contains if clause, then the tense of the direct speech remain unchanged. अर्थात पिला माने वाक्यटी if clause रे थिले मध्य डायरेक्ट टू इनडायरेक्ट को परिवर्तन करिवा समय रे टेन्स रे कोनोसी परिवर्तन होई ना थाए. ओके. नाउ लुक एट द एग्जांपल हियर. ही सेड, if I were Neil Armstrong, I would land on the moon. This sentence, when we change this sentence into indirect speech, the answer will be, he said, if he were Neil Armstrong, he would land on the moon. एठी देखो पिला माने वाक्यटी if क्लोज रु आरंभ होईची. ठीक अछि. if I were Neil Armstrong, तेणु if क्लोज रु आरंभ होईथिबारु आमे एही परि वाक्य गुडी को इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच को परिवर्तन करिवा समय रे कोनोसी टेन्स रे कोनोसी प्रकारर परिवर्तन होई न थाए. ठीक अछि. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ लुक एट सम अदर एग्जांपल्स रिलेटेड टू रूल नंबर 5. He said, if I were the Prime Minister of India, I would raise the economic status to a high level. Can be written as, he said, if he were the Prime Minister of India, he would raise the economic status to a high level. पिलामाने एगुड़िक थिला किछि इंपोर्टेंट रूल्स. जो रूल्स गुड़िक आम जानिले वाक्य गुड़ी को डायरेक्ट स्पीच रु इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच को परिवर्तन करने समय रे टेन्स रे कोनोसी प्रकारर परिवर्तन होई न थाए, केवल तार कर्ता रे परिवर्तन होई थाए. ठीक अछि. परवर्ती क्लास रे आमे आउ कतोटी इंपोर्टेंट रूल्स विषय रे आलोचना करिबा जेउ गुड़िक रे कि टेन्स रे परिवर्तन देखा दै थाए. ठीक. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडेज क्लास. थैंक यू.